Are you experiencing toxic emotions like fear or frustration that are weighing you down and leaving you feeling drained? If you want to reignite your spirit, reawaken your passion, and unleash your creativity in all areas of your life, then Aquamarine is the crystal that can help you. Aquamarine is a powerful crystal that can help dispel any negative emotions, allowing you to have more positive thoughts and feelings. It can also use to clear mental clutter and enhance clarity of mind. Use it as a tool for creative problem solving or to simply meditate with it while setting an intention for peace and serenity in your life. Aquamarine can be used as an aid in meditation as it helps one find spiritual truth. It is known for its ability to bring inner peace, instill trust, and promote self-expression. It brings harmony with nature and encourages the dissolution of negative energy. It can help open up intuition and spiritual communication, as well as being a very powerful stone for healing emotional wounds. Visualize yourself surrounded by its calming energies as you practice deep breathing during meditation, allowing it to wash away any negative thoughts or feelings. Wearing aquamarine jewelry can enhance creativity, communication, and spiritual awareness. It is said to bring mental clarity, help with problem solving and decision making, and even increase confidence. Aquamarine can also help to strengthen friendships and relationships by encouraging understanding and communication between two people. It promotes a gentle but powerful energy that encourages one to take control of their life, look for guidance within, and express themselves honestly. Aquamarine is a gemstone whose powers can be harnessed depending on which hand it is worn on. When you place it on your non-dominant hand, the aquamarine bracelet can help instill emotional balance and promote spiritual alignment and offer protection. On the dominant hand, this is your writing hand, it is known to enhance focus, mental clarity, stimulate the mind, and bolster self-assurance during challenging situations. Carry an aquamarine tumbled stone with you throughout the day to bring a sense of inner peace and contentment. It can also help to reduce stress, anxiety, and worry while simultaneously boosting feelings of joy, optimism, and hope. It is said to be connected with the ocean, which brings with it the energies of truth, serenity, and healing. Aquamarine is a powerful stone for calming the mind and the soul, helping one to adapt more easily to new experiences. This is especially helpful when approaching challenging situations or difficult conversations, and you have it with clarity and patience. Place a piece of aquamarine in your home, office, or personal space to bring peace, harmony, and protection. Place aquamarine in your bedroom to help bring healing and calming energies, or near your front door to ward away any negative energy. To cleanse, aquamarine is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, as it grades from a 7.5 to an 8. So you can hold your stone under running water to cleanse it. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it under the full moon.